for Kerala. When I was on teen, I used to come for Shabarimala. And for certain Ayurvedic treatments, I used to come. I had a great passion for Karali when I was sick, but I didn't have the money then to, that kind of money to come here and learn. And I regret that. That's why I know there's a great Siddhartha system there.
Is this purely a pilgrim visit?
Yeah, it is purely pilgrimage, and coming here to Agastya Ashram, I have a lot of spinal injuries. I have a whiplash injury, and it is causing a lot of numbness and some issues are there. So I extended as a kind of to seek a medical advisor.
Okay.
But this is predominantly I'm going for this is the last 4.5 years I've been thinking to come to this part of Kerala and Tamil Nadu to visit all Murugan temples and Agastya Ashram and Parshrama Ashram to pay my respects and to seek blessing.
Even though this is a pilgrim visit, many say that as part of a BJP South campaign for the upcoming constituent elections. Is this true?
No.
No.
Maybe it might be read like that, but actually it is not.
Okay, now I want to say that there's a Tirupati Laddu issue. Many devotees are from going to Tirupati on a daily basis, and 4 of are arrested by the SIT team. So, what do you want to say to the devotees that is going to Tirupati from Kerala?
I said, so Lord Balaji is for the entire, every Hindu, every nook and corner of this nation in the world, and especially from Kerala, a lot of devotees would come. And whatever happened, it is very unfortunate, and people who seek money, and people should not seek money from temples and everything, but this is a sad state of affairs. And I felt personally quite bad about it, and eventually I raised my voice, and the culprits have been arrested. And we'll make sure that in future it will never occur. And I'll take this message to AP also.
Okay, since you're in Kerala, do you plan to take up any issue to the Kerala government regarding faith, belief, or something?
If you'll confine it to only pilgrimage.
Purely pilgrimage. Okay.